Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can remove Gutenberg new block widget editor. So in Gutenberg new widget editor can be changed your WordPress design. Then you have to remove it and you need to go back to your old traditional widget editor. To remove this editor, then just you have to add a new filter in theme file.editor. Just go there, then navigate to functions.php. Inside this file, just you have to add a new filter. Add filter, use widgets block editor. Just make it return false. Then save it. Now check it. Yes. Now we are moved to old editor or old widget style. So this is essential for you if you are using old style still now. In WordPress latest version, WordPress triggering by default the new Gutenberg widget editor. Then if you need to get back to the old editor, then just you have to add a new filter on function.php. So thank you very much.